Hello, my name is Evander and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below. If you are running only Claude in your Zotero, then I bet you are leaving the two other models behind, which is the Gemini and the ChatGPT. So today I'm going to show exactly how to connect Gemini and then GPT to your Zotero via the Beaver plugin, API key and all, so that you can easily toggle between these AI models without necessarily leaving your reference manager. So this video assumes you've already got Beaver installed in your Zotero. If you haven't done that, there is a link in my description which will take you to a video tutorial on how to connect Claude to your Zotero via a Beaver plugin. So make sure you watch that video and then get Beaver installed in your Zotero. Then you can go ahead and then add other models like the Claude, Gemini, and then ChatGPT. So like I said, you've already got your Beaver installed and you even have Claude in it. That's the assumption. So there's the Claude models, and that's Beaver. So to add Gemini, you head to aistudio.google.com. You log in. If you already have your Google account, you just log in, and then at the top right corner you can see create API key. So you create the key and then you name it Gemini API key Zotero. So let's create the key. So the key is being created. Copy key. And then with this Gemini API key, unlike other keys like the ChatGPT one and then the Claude one, which you can only view it once, so you would have to copy it and then paste it safely somewhere. But with this one, you can see the copy here. You can come back and always copy it anytime that you want, and you can always view it as well. So now we have the key. We head back to Zotero, and then we click on that profile icon. We head to settings and then to API keys. So you can see a Google API key. Just paste whatever we copied and then confirm. Yes, confirmed. So we close this one, and now boom, we can see the other models for Gemini as also shown. So we've got the Gemini 2.5 Pro, the Gemini 3.0, Gemini 3.1, Gemini 3.5 Flash. So you can click on whatever model that you want to use and then you chat with it. So that's it for Gemini. And mind you have to purchase some credits just as we did with the Claude. So you come here, you set up your billing. I've set up no billing account for this one. So you come here, you set up your billing account, attach your card, buy some fuel credits, and then you can use it in your Zotero safely. And for us to add the ChatGPT, you have to get GPT API key. That one to we head to platform.openai.com. And then with that, I think I've already got some credit bought. So I think so. I've already got some credit bought. So we head to API keys Yeah, click on that. And then, yeah, I think I had on that. Let's create a new API. Let's name it GPT Zo. Yeah. Then you create a key. So with this one, I would advise you to copy this key and then paste it somewhere, put it safely, maybe in a note or in a Word document, something of that sort. Yeah, but I will copy it direct. And then I'll head back to my Zotero. Yeah, go to the profile icon settings and then to API keys. And that's it. Open AI API key. So I'll just paste that and then click on confirm. Yeah, let's wait for the confirmation. So that's it, confirmed. And now, boom. See, you also have the chat GPT. You also have the chat GPT models here. We've got the GPT 5.4, GPT 5.4 mini, 5.4, and GPT 5.5. Yeah, so you can that's the beauty now. At this point, we've got Claude, we've got Chat GPT, we've got Claude, got Chat GPT, and then we've got Gemini as well, all sitting inside Beaver. And you can switch between them. You can select Claude Opus, can select Gemini, you can select ChatGPT, whichever model that you think deems best for you and then is fit for you. This actually matters more than it sounds. Different models have different strengths to paper, and one might summarize a methodology more cleanly, another might be faster on a quick. Yeah, so that's ChatGPT and Gemini, both live inside your Zotero through Beaver alongside Claude. If you haven't seen the original Beaver installation and then Claude setup video, the link is in my description here below. You can refer to that. Subscribe if you want more of these AI research stack breakdowns, and let me know in the comment section which model you end up using the most once you've got all the three running in your Zotero.